Hello everyone, it's Patty and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the September sub box from Simply Gilded. The enrollment for this particular sub box starts tomorrow, but I am part of the Simply Gilded team, and so I was sent the sub box early to share with you guys. So if you're interested in subscribing, please make sure to go to simplygilded.com and you can sign up starting tomorrow, September 14. And if you're already a subscriber, you will be charged for your sub box on the 17th, and the sub box will ship the last week of the month. Now, as you can tell, the theme for this month is You're a Gem, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I don't know if you are, if you've been with Simply Gilded for a long time, you may remember last year's sub box, which was all like gemstony and, all beautiful crystals, images, and it's one of my favorite sub boxes. So when I, received this sub box, I was just too excited. I actually have not opened it. Now, mind you, this sub box includes a mystery item. I will not be sharing the mystery item because, it's a surprise. So if you want to know what the mystery item is, you have to subscribe. But so I will remove it before I share everything that it's included. So first of all, how gorgeous is this? This reminds me of the prisms, and the crystals, the facets of a crystal, and the colors are amazing. We have all these like light blues and pinks, and then we have like a little, like a deeper, more rich color with a gorgeous rose gold. And then if you look in the back here, it says bright, brilliant, fabulous, and it's just so beautiful. And of course, little juniper over there. Now, I always keep my sub boxes, but this one is truly something that you can even cut out, like because of the symmetry here. You can cut it out, turn this into a dashboard, super easy, for your planner, unless, you keep them like I do, as a keepsakes. But let me take everything out of the box now, and I'll be sharing everything, but not the mystery item. And I'll be right back. And I'm back, and the first thing that I always love to share is the card that comes in every single sub box, and it has a list of everything that is included, the name of the box, and the month in which it was released. And as you can tell, there's 9 items, which is a lot in this box, and I will be sharing all of them aside from the last one, not the mystery item. You'll have to subscribe to see it, but I have seen it and it's gorgeous, so you don't want to miss it. Now, the first item that I wanted to share is something new. It's an innovation. It's something different that Irene has been doing this month. So this is the journaling card, and it's not your normal, cardboard or not cardboard, but heavy cardstock journaling card that we usually get. This is actually kind of a thick plastic, which has an overlay of this kind of like prismatic. You can see like iridescent finish to it, and then it has this gorgeous diamonds and stones, and one side is rose gold, the other side is silver. So if you don't like rose gold, you can just flip it over. Now, I will be using this for a page marker, and but you can use it for dashboards. You can cut it down to back your pictures. Cut it in half if you want a smaller page marker. The options are endless. One thing you do not want to do is try to remove the film that is right on top of this. There is no protective film like some other companies may have clear protective films over their washi cards or their little dashboard. This does not. So if you remove the film that's right on top of it, you will remove the finish. So do not touch it, leave it there. It's as already as it should be. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I just love it. I can't wait to use it. And then next up, another one of my favorite items from Irene's boxes, which is the pens, because her pens write beautifully and they are gorgeous. And this one is no exception. It has actually an engraved design, so if you feel it, you'll feel the little grooves of the design or the pattern. And I love that the pattern reminds a little bit of the facets of cut stones, and it's in rose gold, and the colors go from this beautiful mauve to richer, deeper colors, and it's just perfect for the season, I think, for September. And I use these every day. They write beautifully again, and they come with their gel ink. They come in black ink, but if you would like, there's also refills, of course, available on the website, and we're coming out with blue refills as well, which some people prefer blue, and they have been requesting, and Irene has ordered them up, so they should be in stock soon. Now, the next item that Irene introduced this month is one of my favorite, which is the Acrylic Gem Tray. Now, first of all, it comes in this gorgeous little box. So let's say that you don't like it for some reason. I don't know why, but let's say you don't like it, or you have a friend that you think will love it. You can just like give it to your friend. You just add a little bow to it, you know, and you're set. But for me, it's just one of these kind of very unique. Oops, you saw my camera there. Unique things, and as you can tell, it's very reflective. So it's shaped like a cut stone. It has raised edges, and then it has this iridescent finish to it. Now there may be some bubbling and some scratching on these. It's minor. They're all been hand picked and you know, for quality, so you know, they are already as they should be. So I would use these to store actually my crystals, but you can use them to store little knickknacks, your rings, your washi tape, whatever you want, and it's just gorgeous. I just think it's a perfect addition, you know, to like something different, you know, that we haven't seen before. I haven't seen it in any other subscription box, that's for sure. And then we have this beautiful pouch, and this pouch is big. I mean, like, it's bigger than the normal pouch that we receive, I feel. It's a beautiful velvet that has this chevron kind of pattern, which again reminds me of a gemstone. It has a rose gold zipper. It's fully lined, and you can store a ton in here. You can store your makeup, you can store anything that you carry in your purse, your keys, your money, your wallet, if you don't want it to scratch up. So I'm really excited about this because I like to change my pouches in my purse with the season. So this will be perfect for you know, for the fall. And then we have another one of Irene, you know, my favorite products from Irene, which is Washi Cards. And these particular Washi Cards, and I'm trying to hold them so that they don't reflect too much. First of all, we get 5 of them, and they all have that same prismatic, and I'm going to try and put it here on top. Let's see if it helps. There we go. You can see that that prismatic kind of iridescent you know, finish to it. This one says shine bright and like a diamond, and it's gorgeous. Again, these do not have any finish or any protective finish to them, so do not remove the top layer. And then this one is just simple. It has all the diamonds, like a, you know, little diamond or a crystal cluster. I love it. And then this one says love your heart. It's beautiful, and look how it sparkles. And then we have another one that says precious. Beautiful. So you'll have these. I use these in all my planners and in all my setups. They're very convenient, and they are beautiful. You can also alternatively, if you don't want to use them for washi cards, use them as a page marker. You get 5 of them. You can keep them or share them. So this is one of my favorite items from this box too. And then we get bow seals. And as you can tell, the format has changed. They used to be on this kind of like lighter kind of I would say waxy paper on it, but now instead they are printed on this you know, thicker sticker paper, and we get 8 of them, and they have the same kind of diamond crushed foiling on them, and they're beautiful. I love this colors. I'm just going to be using these on page markers for sure. And then we have the Luxe stickers. So the Luxe stickers, you get 3 sheets. These are enough to, you know, to do a full week of setups, but let me show you. And these are on the new unicorn paper. And the size of the full boxes is meant to be for an Erin Condren planner, so in case you're wondering, or any other style of Erin Condren sized insert, like for example the ones from Any Plants Printables, which is what I use. And again, you have some headers here. You have the sparkle, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full boxes on this sheet alone. Then you have deco, you have these crystal clusters, you have some diamonds, you have some little flags, and then we have another page of stickers with more headers, days of the week, remember, etc., some little icons, some little flags, and tinier kind of like reminders that you can put inside in the middle of your boxes, and then 3 more full boxes. This one has to be my favorite, I've decided, and it's gorgeous. And then we also get an additional 3rd little sheet, which has 1 more full box, and then we have 4 half boxes, more deco, and more of this little list, you know, little checkers. They're not flags, but they have the same function. So you get all this included. Now, if you shop for, you know, stickers, you know how much kits like this cost. So I think it's an amazing value already. Now, the last thing which is included is washi tape, and this month is super special. You're getting 5 rolls of washi tape. You get 4 of 15 millimeter and 1 10 millimeter. And the first 2 that I want to share with you are the bow washi, which have this, it's prismatic bow washi. Now, it's really difficult to actually kind of show the effect of the prismatic, but it's difficult to see it, you know, under these lights. But if you, when you see it in person, you'll see there's little prisms to it. Now, as you can tell, these have a slightly different color variation, which is perfectly normal. This comes with this kind of washi, so there will not be any replacements or credits or anything like that. This is how it's supposed to be. So some are a little darker, some are a little lighter, and they are just gorgeous. It's a very unique finish, and as you can tell, there's a it's very soft to the touch. I don't know, I'm in love with it. I just love it. And then you also get the Simple Line washi, which has this time a little bow on it, and I think it's adorable. And I love also the color because it's this beautiful, it has these little prisms, I don't know if you can tell, but little geometric shapes in the background, and then you have the little bow right there. I know that you guys love using this. You can write on them if you want to. You just you know, use some sort of marker and like a, I would say like a Sharpie should work. And then we have 2 of the 15 millimeter with these you know, like the diamonds or crystal shapes. So this one has rose gold, and it's a deeper, like a plummy color, I would say a burgundy color with the rose gold. And look how the rose gold totally jumps and off the you know, the background. I love it. It's just very, very rich. And then the last one, and not the least one, because I'm in love with this finish, this has a crushed diamond foil. I mean, how gorgeous is that? So you can see that it again, hard under the lights, but they're also like speckles. It's just beautiful. So again, all these are the washi tapes which are included in this month box. Now, if you're like me and you're also you know, obsessed with the 5 millimeter, there is also an add-on that you can get, which will include 4 of these 5 millimeter, and they're all in coordinating colors. And this will be it's a separate subscription. It's $5.75. Needs to be purchased together with your main subscription, and it will ship for free with your main sub box. And I just love the 5 millimeter. I'm obsessed. I have so many of them that I'm on drawer number 3 because I use them all the time. So again, here is a look of everything that is included in this month sub box. And if you have not subscribed, make sure to go to simplygilded.com. The enrollment begins tomorrow, which is September 14 at midday. I think it's 11 a.m. but check on our website. And again, you'll get all this $25 plus $4 shipping for domestic, or $14 for international. If you have any question, you can just send us an email at simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and we'll reply right back. And if you have any question, also just you know, leave it below or DM me at PlanningFancy on Instagram, and I'll be glad to answer any questions. Hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.